Hello everyone, hope you're doing really well. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make your add to cart button shake. So if you don't really know like why should you have that in your store, it's basically to grab more attention to your add to cart button so that you don't really miss out on any of the sales. So it's quite simple to do that, and in order to do that, what you need to do from your Shopify homepage that you are on, and you need to go to your online store at the left, as you can see, and click here. From there you need to click on themes. Okay, so when you're in here, in the themes, what you need to do and click action, and then you need to select edit code. Okay, so click on that, and boom, so here you go. So from here you need to find a page which is called on the left. You need to find some code, and you're gonna find it under assets, and the file name is dame.scss.liquid. So you click on that file and open that dame.scss.liquid file. Okay, so now if you have a look at the store, and if you look at the add to cart button, it's not shaking at all. So let me show you. Okay, so it's not shaking at all, but when we will implement that, this add to cart button will be shaking. Okay, so let's just go back to the theme again. So when we are in them.scss.liquid, we're gonna go back to a file. I'm gonna put this file into the description, so you're gonna get this file in the description, so you can open this file and you can copy this whole you know section. So here I have like something for horizontal shake as well. So if you want to make those add to cart button shake horizontally, you can use that code underneath that, but I'm not gonna do that for now. So let's just copy the upper code that I have for you know vertical shake. So let's just go back to your codes, and from here, as you can see, dame.scss.liquid, you need to scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see at the bottom of your scss.liquid file, um, you need to paste these lines of code. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm done pasting this code, like where it says shade.keyframes.shape. You need to paste these two codes, and from there you need to right click on the upper top save button. So once you're done with saving that, what you need to do from here, you need to find product.template.liquid, because this is where your add to cart is belong to. So for finding that, you're going to go to sections, and underneath that you're going to find product.template.liquid. Perfect. So what you can do from here, you can manually search for add to cart button, or you can control and F, you can press control and F after clicking on this any of codes, and from here what you can do, like you can type add to cart. Okay, add to cart, add to cart. Okay, so here is your add to cart, section ID and text and everything. So let me see like where's all those add to carts button, and you just need to find that button for these. Okay, so basically where they're gonna be. So for finding that, what you can do is like you can right click on that add to cart button, and from here you can just click in here. So here you can see at the right top add to cart product temp. Okay, so template, so the item name is add to cart and it should be on button, so you need to find this button for sure to implement that. Okay, so and for the class, we're gonna add a new class to it so that these buttons shake. So once you find that button and add to cart, at the same time, like you need to understand that this is where you need to put your. Okay, so here you have button and you have like add to cart at the same place, right? So basically this is where you need to put your class for creating those add to cart shake. Okay, so for doing that, like you can see btn and button full product, and you just need to do after button or after any of these, or maybe at the top, like at the first place, what you can do you can just copy that, you know, that class name. What is the class name? Okay, so here is the class name. It's called shake. Okay, so you just need to click and select and copy this shake, and before button you can just place this, and then you need to space enter, you need to, you know, press the space button so that you can have some space in between so that they're not sticking, they're separate class. Okay, so once you're done with that, what do you need to do? You need to click on save at the top right corner. So now we're basically done with everything. So now let's have it to look at our store and see if that is working or not. So it's loading right now. Okay, so let's go to a product page and see if that is working. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Oh, boom. As you can see here, your add to cart button is shaking quite smartly. Okay, you don't need to do anything. It's just grabbing the attention of your visitors and making them a customers if they're interested in your product. So this is how simple it is to do that, guys. If you have any question, feel free to knock me or contact me, and I will be happy to answer your questions. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll be back with new, you know, videos that will help you to be successful with this e-com industry, guys. So that's for now. Peace.